Okay, welcome to my channel. So today I have an amazing trading robot. It's a boom and crash spike robot. So I will test it in 1 minute time frame. The good part of this, is that this board can operate in 1 minute in all time frames. You can put it in 1 hour daily time frame. It can operate. What you need to do is to adjust the parameters, the stop loss, the take profit, or even the trailing stop. So I will test it in what? In 1 minute time frame. It's a 50 EMA boom bot. It's a 50 EMA boom spike EA. So I have one for boom, one for spike. These are two different bots. So the one for boom, it will buy in boom so that it can catch spikes, and the one in crash, it will be selling in crash so that it can catch spikes. Sorry. So how this EA operates? Whenever there is a crossing on the 50 exponential moving average, the 50 EMA boom spike EA will open a buy. I explained about this strategy. So if you're interested in knowing more about how this strategy works, you can check out my other video where I was explaining how to use the 50 exponential moving average to catch spikes. So this robot can carry out this strategy. So let me do a test so that you can see while it's operating. So I'll give it a 50 initial deposit, and I'm gonna use a lot size of 1. Let's see what is going to take place here, and I'm gonna test it for 1 year. We want to check the results that are there. Okay, I'm just waiting here. It's an amazing bot. It's an amazing trading EA. So it works in boom and crash in all time frames. It will work in all time frames. Okay, so we have an initial deposit of 50. As you can see, the balance is 50. Okay, let me try to slow it down so that we will actually see how it operates. I also want to remove the grids. Okay, I think it's now trading. Let's see what will be taking place. There is a crossing, and it opened a buy, but unfortunately there were no spikes that came. So let's wait and see if it is going to catch any spikes. Okay, it opened up a buy, but unfortunately there was nothing. So the good part is this: you can play around with you can adjust the take profit, the stop loss, and the trailing stop. You can see here it was able to catch a spike, and here there is a crossing. It opened up a buy. Okay. Okay, our equity and balance are going up. You can see that's how it operates. When there is a crossing, it opens up a buy, then it will be able to catch all these spikes. You see, it's buying in boom. This is amazing. And with the trailing stop, once the price reaches where the trailing stop is, it will close the trade. So you'll be doing nothing. You're just observing how it will be doing. You'll be doing nothing. It's a very, very special board. You see, it was able to buy from here up to this point, and our balance is now on. This is the first. It's day 1. You've already doubled your account. Day 1, you're now on 100. It's even 3 times more. So this bot is powerful. It's a very powerful bot. So I just wanted you to see how it executes its trades. So for now I'm gonna speed it up so that we can analyze the results. So for now you can focus on the what? On the balance and the equity. You can see it's going up, we're still in January. Day 4 we are already close to 500.
You come late to this place. Go and play yourself.
You can see the balance is going up. We haven't even reached mid-month, and we are reaching somewhere like 1.3. This is amazing, guys. I'm someone who advocates for the use of robots when trading, because the human body has a limit. But this one will trade, one, without emotions, two, it will trade the whole time, non-stop. Once the conditions of the strategy has been the conditions are satisfied, the bot will continue trading. But with us, sometimes when you start losing, you become emotional. The bot will trade without emotions. You can see the balance is going up, it's going up, it's going up. So for the next coming week, I'll be posting out the results, the daily results, the profits that this bot is going to be making. So if you're interested, I've inserted my details. If you're interested in this boom or the spike bot that uses the 50 exponential moving average, I have my details in the descriptions, so you can check that out. It's amazing. It's amazing how this bot operates. You can see our equity is going up.
Let me take your card.
This is how much we are making. The amazing part is that most of the trading bots, you need more a higher balance. You need a higher balance, more money. But with this one, even with $50, you can trade a lot size of 1. But you can even adjust the lot size to suit your need. Maybe with a smaller account, you can even put it the lot size to 0.2. Not saying that 50 is a big account, no. But I just wanted to show you that this bot can raise a small account and you end up having this. This is amazing. Let me just try to, it can be a little bit fast. Let's check the graph. As you can see, the graph is going up, it's going up, it's going up. Our graph is going up. Okay, I just wanted to skip and see what will be taking place here. So if you want to check the robots that I make, I have the one that I'm giving for free, so that you can trust my products. I've made one for free, the crossover exponential bot. That one is for free. So if you are interested, the only thing that you need to do is to subscribe to my channel. Then I'll send it for free. You send me your email, then I'll send the bot for free. That one, the crossover bot is for free. So you see it was already open, although I switched it off. It was already operating here. You can see there was a crossing. It opened up a buy here. This board is amazing, guys. It's really, really amazing. Amazing. I want this process to be fast. Maybe I was supposed to just leave it. Our balance is still going up. It's going up. So whenever there is a crossing, for example, on this point, the bot will open a buy here. It was going to be able to catch this spike and all these spikes. It's a very simple strategy. As you can see here, there was again another crossing. Here there was a crossing, and it was going to be able to catch this spike. Let's go back. So it's self-automated. You'll be doing nothing. You'll be doing nothing. You see, it opened up a buy once the moving average crossed the 50. Once the spike crossed the 50 exponential, then it closed its trade there. So you can adjust the trailing stop, the stop loss, and the take profit. You can adjust those. Okay, where are we now? So this robot, if you're interested, I've inserted my details. You can call, you can WhatsApp, you can send me an email. The details are in the description of this video. And you can also check out the video where I was explaining how you can use this strategy when you're using your phone or when you're using a desktop. It's an amazing strategy. I believe that a strategy should be very simple. This one is the simplest strategy that you can use to catch spike. It's the simplest, the easiest way to catch spikes. So this is what I do on my free time. I create robots. I have a lot of robots. So if you subscribe to this channel, I will be presenting these robots. And now we'll be on holiday, so I will do this more frequently. Where are we now? We've passed this. Okay, let's just check what was happening here. You see, this spike crossed the 50 exponential, then it was able to buy. The same applies here. See, so I've noticed that there is a niche. Most people, they don't want to make, I don't know if they are there, but there are just a few people who are making these robots for crash and boom. Most people, they make forex trading robots. So I want to occupy that niche. I'll be focusing much on boom and crash, although I have robots that can trade jump, that can trade volatility. I have those robots. If you're interested, again, you can get in touch. So on this channel, I make EAs. And sometimes I give them for free, sometimes I sell them. For example, this one, the 50 exponential moving average, I'm going to be selling this one. And then I also give out strategy. You can check out the videos that I posted recently, where I was explaining the methods that you can use to catch spikes. The other one I was explaining on the crossover strategy. The previous ones I was explaining how you can use the 50 EMA to catch spikes. Okay, let me just see where we are currently. Yeah, our equity is going up. It's going up. I wanted it to be a little bit faster. I want it to be a little bit faster.
No, 25.
So you can adjust the lot size, the trailing stop, the stop loss, the take profit. You'll be able to adjust that. This was perfect. This was perfect. And here again it was also perfect. You'll be making a lot of money here. It was also perfect. Also again here you're going to catch a lot of pips. Here again this was amazing. So it's a spike bot. It will only buy in boom. And I also have the other one with a similar strategy, which can also sell in crash. Be it crash 1000, be it crash 500. Okay, where are we now? May. I didn't want this video to take long. You can see our equity and balance are going up, which is good again. So let me show you part of my work, the robots that I have currently. So all these robots, I've created all these robots. Okay, so let's just wait and see what will be taking place here.
Don't eat.
So if you're interested in, if you have an amazing strategy, I can also design a robot that follows that strategy. I can design any robot. If you have an amazing strategy and you want to use it in boom and crash, I can design a robot for you. I can design a robot for you. So if you have a strategy, I'll design a robot for you. But you pay a certain fee. Yeah. Sweetie? Come. Let's make robots. Do you want to make robots? Come. Come and see this robot. Come and see. You don't want to see? Come and see. There's a robot here. But you said you're going to help me. Yes, come and help me, baby. Come. Come and see Annie. Come and see Annie. Come. You want to see Anne? Okay, come. With your sanitizer. Okay, it's fine. You can sanitize. It's okay. You're afraid of corona. You're sanitizing. Sanitize. There's Annie. See Annie. So I'm just waiting for the. I'm waiting for the robot to to finish.
Mama. Papa.
Here's your sanitizer. Ona nina teti. It's fine, you can go. But don't eat. Oh, Sisi. No, don't eat. Don't eat, babe. Huh?
Come and sleep.
Go and sleep. You want to sleep, huh? We're now close to 53,000. Hey, sweetie, don't do that. The couple of roses are very well.
Come and sleep. Come. Come and sleep.
So I'm gonna be testing it for a period of 1 year.
Sleep.
Once I'm done with boom and crash, I'm looking forward to go to Forex. That's my my next target. So for now, I'll focus much on boom and crash with a little bit of volatility and jump, also step these synthetic indices. Then when I'm done with that market, I'll also focus on what? On Forex. I'm gonna be making robots to trade in the Forex market. So this strategy, some might be interested in knowing more. As you know that moving average, they act as support and resistance, and they also act as what? An indicator for the trend. If you want to know if the trend is in an uptrend or downtrend, you can use moving average. So sometimes a spike that breaks the moving average, maybe it goes above or crosses the moving average when it's going up, it can be a sign that the trend is now reversing. It's a trend reversal strategy, or it's a trend reversal point, or maybe there is a trend continuation. So sometimes when the moving average is acting like a resistance, once that moving average is broken, it will now act as a support. As you can see here, it will act as a support. So that's how basically this EA is created to do. So it will only buy, it will never sell in boom. Then there's another one that you can use in what? In crash. That one will be only selling. And if you've observed, in most cases, once there are spikes, more spikes will come. If there was a downtrend and now there are now spikes that are breaking this resistance, then you will know that more and more spikes will come. So it works in all time frames, be it the 15, be it the 30 or the 1 hour, the daily time frame. So what is important, I have all the parameters for those different time frames. I have all the stop loss, the take profit for those different what. So if you're interested, you can get in touch. So please, if you find this information very valuable, please subscribe, share and like my videos.
Bye-bye.
You can see that the equity is going up, it's going up, it's going up. So this EA will make you a lot of money. As you can see, we started with 50, but we're now close to 61,000, which is amazing. This is amazing. So some people prefer selling in boom or buying in crash. If I'm to compare the two, spike trading is more profitable, because if you are caught with a spike and you are selling in boom, you won't like it. And sometimes these spikes you will not be able to even to recover. Once you're still waiting to recover your money, then there will be another spike. So in terms of risk management, spike trading is the best. It's another way of another way that you can use to reduce your risk, because your account can be wiped in a few minutes just because of these random spikes. So I think it will be wiser if you're going to be someone who will be catching these spikes. The pain that you get when a spike catches you, it's very, very painful. You won't like it. So I would rather prefer a strategy where I catch those spikes. That's why the equity goes up quickly. It will quickly goes up, because these spikes, they will be big, and if you have a bigger lot size, you will be more profitable. So this one is now available. If you're interested, get in touch. You can check the information that I've inserted in my description. If you are interested, then we can talk. And if you're someone who is interested in learning how to create robots, recently I've started teaching people on how you can create a robot. So if you're interested, you can also get in touch. I'll teach you how to make these robots. It took me a while to learn how to do this. And the problem was that I didn't have anyone who was guiding me or teaching me how to do this. So I was teaching myself. That's why it took me a while. But if you're fortunate enough that you have someone who can teach you how to do this, it will be easy for you to understand and to quickly be able to make a robot. I prefer robots because I've been doing this for a very long time, and I see that you make more money if the robot is very working perfectly and it is an amazing strategy. You also make a lot of money. The equity is up. It's up. We're almost there. We're now approaching December. This EA is powerful. Very, very powerful. I'm a little bit exhausted. So this is what normally happens when you're trading. You find yourself asleep and your account will probably be wiped out. So if you're using a robot, you're not worried about that. You just monitor what is taking place. But this one, there's no you will not be doing much. You just insert it in your charts, then it will do everything for you. Maybe you're probably checking out the profits. The profits will be growing each and every day. I'm telling you, your account can double, it can triple. I'm telling you, this bot is amazing. It's amazing. This market, there is money in boom and crash. There is money, I'm telling you. And if you are someone who's looking to start trading, I think it's one of the easiest markets that you can quickly understand, and you can quickly start trading in this market. And the good part of this market is that it's not affected by news or what. These are synthetic indices. So it's a very good market if you know your price action, kind of pattern formation. And still on that, I'm going to make another robot that will analyze candlestick pattern and open trades based on the candlestick patterns. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. So I'll be doing this frequently. I can't promise that per week I'll be releasing robots, but during the holidays I'll definitely do that. 2 or more robots per week. We want to make money in boom and crash. There's a tendency of just keep on depositing, and yet your withdrawals are very low. So with this robot, you will be constantly withdrawing, constantly withdraw. I guarantee you that. Okay, finally, we are now here. We are done. Let me go and analyze. Okay, we are still finishing up. Okay, so you can see even the graph is very healthy. It's going up. I'm telling you, you only withdraw with this strategy. So we have we started with an initial deposit of 50 US, and by the end of the year you are guaranteed that you'll get something like 66,000. I'm telling you, this robot can do this. And you can also check here again, we have a profit factor of 4.8, which is quite good. Then the expected payoff is 7.74. let's go down and check the charts. As you can see, daily, from Sunday to Saturday, you can see the chances of you making profits are very high. Daily you'll be making profits. You'll be making profits, so you can run it and just leave it. You don't have specific dates where you want the EA to operate. On each and every day it will be making money, and each and every month, as you can see, it will be making money. Although these candles in December, they are a little bit small because it stopped working, I think around 5 or it was 9 December. So these are the results, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm telling you, you will make money in this market. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Please, your feedback is very important. I want to know what you guys want. I want to know what you guys think. So bye bye for now. Please take care.